So let's open Pages. To start a new document, tap the plus button in the top right corner. Here you can choose a template. These are new templates which will allow you to create an interactive book using Pages. So let's open one of these templates. Now let's have a look at the interface here. If we tap on Documents, it's going to take us back to the document view. If we tap on the next button here, that's going to open up a few different options. So we've got our page thumbnails, so we can tap on that. So we can see our thumbnails to the left here. Click on two-page view, the word counts. We've also got the ruler and smart annotations enabled. In the top right-hand corner, you've got the paintbrush. But before you can use this, you need to select something. So let's select this text. Now let's tap on the paintbrush, and this will allow us now to change all different aspects of the text. If I tap on the picture and then tap on the paintbrush, we've got options to actually change different aspects of the image. We can tap on plus. The first default is the basic shapes. If you scroll along here, you can see lots of different shapes here. We've got our text that allows us to put an extra text box into our document. Then we've got an option here to add tables. We can add graphs. On our final tab, we've got images, and this will look at what images you have on your own iPad. The final button in the corner here, these three dots, if we tap that, this is where we can collaborate, and it gives us a lot of information here. There are options on here which we will go through in other rapid tech tips.